Yes.
The Prime Minister of India is the custodian of 140 crore people. Whenever we ask, he is in this country, that
Please,
country.
it cannot-
Why he did
Please,
not go to
Constitution-
Manipur?
No, it will not go on the record. Please.
Why, sir? What is unparliamentary?
Ministers, please.
What is
Please.
unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary?
Your seat. Please take your seat. Please take.
சங்கியா முழங்கில் எப்பக்கம் வந்து புகுந்து விடும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம். Going on for 80 years. 80
Your
years.
time is
No,
over.
sir.
Honorable Sri Vaiko, Mr. Vaiko, your name is after Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari.
He has donated 3 minutes from him.
No, sir, it's not the practice. Please, you speak on the point.
Honorable
They do it.
Mr.
Please.
Deputy Chairman, sir, serious discussion is going on
Tiwari ji,
about Manipur and what is
concern, I know.
happening there.
Your concern for him.
Rape, murder, arsoning, everything is going on.
Yes.
Hundreds and hundreds of people have given their lives.
Yes.
One simple question,
Yes.
$1 million question.
Yes.
The Prime Minister of India is the custodian of 140 crore people.
Yes.
What business he has got in other countries?
Yeah.
Whenever we ask, he is in this country, that
Ladies,
country.
you cannot
He is
comment
the
on Honorable
Prime
Prime Minister.
Minister
This will
for
not go.
all countries.
It's a constitutional.
Why he did
Please,
not go to
constitutional-
Manipur?
No, no, please.
Why
Please.
he did not go to Manipur?
Please.
He failed in his duty as a Prime Minister. Nobody will do that.
That he can.
He is going every country after country,
Yes.
but not Manipur.
No comment
Manipur
on
is
his
not in
minutes,
India.
sir. It will not go on the record. Please.
Why, sir? What is
Prime
unparliamentary?
Ministers-
What is unparliamentary?
Prime Minister's
What
foreign
is
visits will not
unparliamentary?
go. Please.
What is
Please.
unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary?
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के विदेश यात्रा पर आप कुछ
Sir.
नहीं कर सकते. You speak on
The same
subject.
time, the whole country is agitated on another issue.
बोलिए. You please speak. You are losing
Sir.
your time.
Mr. Prime Minister means PM. Our Prime Minister means picnic minister. He's yes, he's touring
Please,
all the
no
country.
comments on.
He's touring all the country.
You know he's on the constitutional post. He cannot comment like this. This will not
I
go on the
already
record.
said it. I will repeat it.
Please,
I am
no.
not bothered about you.
No, please,
I have
please.
seen so many people
Please,
like
you
you.
speak on the subject.
So
You speak
many,
No,
hundreds and
no,
hundreds.
please, you speak on the
MPs.
subject.
I am
That
not
will go on the
bothered.
record only.
I speak
Please.
from my heart.
You speak.
You speak. I am Vaiko. You want to be who
Yeah,
are you?
please, you
I
are
am
losing
Vaiko.
your time.
I am a product of Anna movement.
Please.
I am a product
You
of
speak. You are losing your time. You are losing your time. You are losing your time.
Sir, you should be liberal. When all
I have to stick to the time. Please, please.
Sir, they are
You speak.
interrupting him, sir. Order, please.
Shut up. I'm order.
They are standing
You
up.
take your seat. You take your seat. आप जानते हैं मिस्टर जॉन पीटर्स प्लीज टेक योर सीट प्लीज टेक योर सीट प्लीज टेक यू स्पीक अदरवाइज आई विल प्रोसीड
எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழன்று சங்கியா முழங்கில் எப்பக்கம் வந்து புகுந்து விடும் இந்தி எத்தனை பட்டாளம் கூட்டி வரும் கண்ணை கிளிபட நேரும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம். This was our war song in anti-Hindi agitation. It's going on for 80 years. 80
Your
years.
time is
Now,
over.
sir, now
Please conclude.
in Allahabad, some 3 months back, a conference was done by Hindu Mahasabha and Bajrang Dal and Hindutva forces, a
You
conference.
speak on the subject, please.
Sir, this is a
Speak
subject.
on the subject.
Sir,
Please.
appropriation bill, you can speak anything under the sun. I
Yes.
thought, yes, I have got
Please.
the experience of
Please.
24 years in the
Your
parliament.
time is over. Yes,
I
you are
know,
very
Mr.
experienced. I
Deputy
know.
Chairman, you may not know the rules. rules and the convention.
You
Under
know
the
the
rules,
rules per time.
appropriation
Your
bill,
time is
you can
over.
speak anything under the sun.
Your time
Now,
is over.
in the new education policy, that should be thrown into the dustbin.
Your time is over.
No.
I will call the
No,
next
no.
person. I am requesting
New
you.
education policy, we are opposed. Our Dravidian model government run by Mr. Stalin, our leader, we have organized a
Your time is over. I am
Most of
calling
the
other
states,
person. Please.
they have not agreed.
You conclude,
New
otherwise I am
policy.
calling other person.
Hindi
Please.
and Sanskrit. I have burned a copy of
Maharaja
the
Santa
constitution
Samba.
on the public.
Thank you, sir.
Leader of the house wants to speak. Please, माननीय leader. आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है. You please take your seat. You have already taken more time, sir. You have already taken more time. Please.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள உடனே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.